fun KSCraft design team project, and this one is going to be buddy themed. You know the movie Elf with Will Ferrell. I absolutely love it. Watch it every year ever since it came out, and I just adore it. So I thought it would be fun to create some Christmas cards for my cousins that were elf themed. I don't know. I might even do this for my nephews, but we'll see. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know that these shakers are available in the KSCraft store now, and they are on their way to the Amazon shop as well too. So if you want to wait, you can go ahead, or you can just order it from their Alley shop. But anyway, here are the little layers that you have right here. This is going to be your base and your acetate. Well, actually, this is going to be your base layer, and the actual shaker piece is right here. Okay, so this is going to be your acetate and also your layering piece if you want to use it as that. And then, of course, your little top piece, right, to decorate around it, which is so cute. And then you have the little ears that go here and here, and then you have the little bell that goes at the bottom of his hat. So anyway, that is super cute. And also we have this cute little elf stocking. I thought it was just adorable, and it totally reminded me of Buddy too. So I think I definitely want to use it for a card that goes along with the Buddy theme. So again, you have your layering piece that goes on the top. You have your acetate in your base, and then you have another layering piece right here. And I just love the embossed lines on there. That's so cute. And then of course you have the little balls that go on the end of the little stocking. So I can't wait to get started. And this is going to be a process video, but I will go through the pieces that you're going to need for each of these little thing. So I'm going to work with this one first and then with this one second, and you'll see when you watch the video. All right, guys, see you in a second. Okay, so I have all my pieces cut out right here. So you have your base right here. You have two of these, which I'm going to add a layering color right there. And then we have our acetate. So you'll need two of those, or actually one of each, right? And then we'll put that one aside here. Then also we have our little bell that goes on the elf hat, and then we have our little elf ears, and then we also have our layering pieces right here. So I did two in my foam, but remember, Hannah at KSCraft, they just added 3mm foam along with acetate as well in a little package that you can get, and it is really the best price I've seen yet. So you definitely want to check that out, because mine is very thin and you have to layer it. So I had to cut this out twice, but you know that, buying it from Hannah will prevent you from having to layer it twice. And then I have my colored layering piece, right? So I would just sandwich my acetate in between these two, just like so. Okay, and let's go ahead and get started with a process video. guys, I'm super excited how my Buddy Elf theme cards turned out. I know it's not exactly, you know, Buddy, but I just love the idea of it, and I think they turned out super cute. So I have this trim that I purchased from Amazon. I'll have the link down below for this, and I thought it was a pretty good size roll. I mean, there's a lot in here, and so I just cut off some of these little felt snowflakes off here and glued it on. And then again, I actually created this ho ho ho. And then right here, this is actually from the Caperuzasketches, one of the Caperuzasketch collections that I had left over from my last project. And I thought I would just use it on there because I thought it looked super cute. And then again, this is the Caperuzasketch stripe paper. On the inside, I created this Santa's coming, I know him, because I thought that it really went with the Buddy Elf of one of his sayings that he would say. And it's a shaker, and it turned out really super cute. And again, these little white pieces are from Paper Phenomenon. And then these little glassine mint green ones are from Amazon. Now, let's move on to the second card. This one is a 5x7, so this is a pretty large card. And there's a couple things I'm going to let you know. So first of all, I absolutely love the little elf stockings. And again, this is actually a shaker die, but I decided to just go ahead and make it a non-shaker so that y'all could see the difference, that you could use it either way. And then again, here's some of these Caperuzasketch papers, and I love how I used the foam paper, and I don't have glitter foam paper, but obviously this would be so much easier to have glitter foam paper. But I went ahead and cut out the top of the stocking with that, and then I added some glitter to it. And these are those little styrofoam balls, and I will say that I really wanted to use white ones, but I didn't have any that were this size. I actually have them in this larger size right here, so I did put them at the bottom of the little elf stocking, but I really would have preferred to use white. And one of the reasons is because I found out that these actually, in your hands, literally the color comes off. And so I will probably be giving this one to my mom personally, because I just don't think it's going to go well in the mail. So that was my one thought. And then I just popped these up with foam. And I just love the little Be Merry with this cute little mitten with this little face. Just love it. So precious. And then on the inside, I did another one of the Buddy sentiments. And this is, we elves try to stick to the 4 main food groups: candy, candy canes, candy corn, and syrup. So anyway, I hope you all love these. Guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I love hearing from you. And I love your comments, guys. Y'all have been so awesome. Don't forget to check out KSCraft Lover Store for these dies, and they have several others and some new ones that they just came up with. Again, don't forget they do have the no 3mm foam that comes with the acetate paper to make your shakers, so you don't have to do like double cutting like I do with mine and then glue it all together, and that's a hot mess. But anyway, so I will be ordering that soon from KSCraft. But definitely check out Caperuzasketch also for these adorable little papers. And I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, and I'll see you all next time with another KSCraft project. Bye, guys.